Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Myself Mitanshi. If you are a full stack developer, then you might have heard about GraphQL, another exciting technology. GraphQL is gaining a lot of popularity because of its superiority over traditional REST APIs. So let me give a brief overview of what is GraphQL and why should a web developer learn it. But before deep diving into it, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get updates regarding the upcoming videos. So basically GraphQL is nothing but a query language from Facebook which aims to solve some problem with RESTful services like a lot of endpoints, underfetching and overfetching of data and versioning. So without wasting any more of your time, let's begin with some of the best courses to learn GraphQL from the scratch. So the first on the list is GraphQL with React. In this course, you will learn and master GraphQL by building real web apps with React and Node.js. This course is perfect for both beginners as well as an experienced web developers starting with GraphQL. You will not only learn about the GraphQL but also about Apollo client to communicate with GraphQL from scratch. The second on the list is complete guide to building a GraphQL API. If for some reasons you are not able to connect with the previous one course or you don't know what is React but want to learn GraphQL, then this is the another awesome course to start with. I particularly like the way he compared REST with GraphQL and highlights the shortcomings of REST APIs in terms of overfetching and underfetching data. The third on the list is the Modern GraphQL Bootcamp. This is the another awesome GraphQL course from Udemy which will teach you that how to build GraphQL application using Node.js, which includes Prisma authentication, Apollo client and much more. Guys, if you have any queries related to any of the courses, then tell me in the comment box. I would love to acknowledge your queries. The fourth on the list is building scalable APIs with GraphQL. For a change, this is a GraphQL course from Pluralsight. In this course, instructor Sameer Boona will teach you how to build and consume GraphQL API with the real-world examples. You will not only learn about consuming GraphQL APIs, but also learn that how to create your own GraphQL APIs. The last on the list is GraphQL by example. Talking about this course, it's also a project-based course and you will learn GraphQL by creating a full-stack JavaScript application with Node.js, Express, Apollo server, React and Apollo clients. That's all about some of the best courses to learn GraphQL development. As I said, GraphQL looks really promising and can be used as an alternative to REST. And many of the companies like Coursera are actually using this. So thanks for watching guys. I hope you will like the video. If yes, so give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Bye guys, see you in the next video.